The Nielsen app panel rewards users for sharing information about their internet usage, but whether it is worth installing depends on how comfortable you are with data sharing, and whether the rewards match your expectations. By the end, you'll know how the Nielsen app panel works, what you give in exchange for rewards, and what to consider before installing it in 2026. The Nielsen app panel is part of Nielsen's consumer research programs. Nielsen collects information from participating users to study how people use digital devices, websites, and online services. The main reason people install the app is to earn rewards while contributing to market research. Unlike platforms that pay users for completing tasks, the Nielsen app panel works by collecting usage data through the installed software. The first step is checking whether you qualify for the panel. Eligibility can depend on factors such as location, device type, and whether Nielsen is currently looking for participants who match specific research needs. After installation, the app runs in the background and collects approved information based on the permissions you provide. Before installing any tracking app, review the privacy details carefully. Check what information is collected, how it is used, and what permissions the app requires on your device. The biggest trade-off with the Nielsen app panel is simple. You are exchanging some level of digital activity data for rewards. For some people, that trade-off is acceptable because the app requires little active effort after setup. For others, the privacy considerations may not be worth it. The value you get depends on the rewards offered to you and how comfortable you are participating in consumer research. This is different from a side job where you complete tasks and directly control how much work you do. With a research panel, your participation is based on providing data that helps companies understand consumer behavior. Before signing up, decide what matters more to you. If you want a low-effort way to participate in market research, and you are comfortable with the data sharing process, the Nielsen app panel may be worth considering. If you prefer earning money through active tasks or do not want an app monitoring usage information, another option may fit better. The main points are simple. Nielsen app panel collects consumer usage data for research. Rewards are connected to participation, and the main decision is whether the trade-off between rewards and privacy works for you. Your next step is to read the current participation terms, review the permissions requested, and decide if the rewards justify installing the app. If this helped you understand whether the Nielsen app panel is worth installing in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical online earning reviews.